Video. I'm making a video about this. On. Let me just. This. Right now it's on safety, and show them the other one. Dinner. It's a Colt 1911. This is a. I forgot what it was called.
M14R. No, yeah, M4RIS.
Yeah. No, yeah, M4IRS. RIS. Okay, let's do this. We already used the. Dang, this is kind of hard without the stock.
Okay, see, there's a target at the end.
There are already holes.
Okay, you missed. Horrible.
No, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go get the stock. Okay, I'm back. Here's the stock. This is what it looks like. There's also a flashlight, but that's not on right now. So here we go.
Oh, it's close. Hit a double. Oh, you got it. The holes are like 5. Do you do a double?
You saw that came back.
How many bullets left? What was that?
Shooting at the trees.
Why?
I shot bees.
How many bullets left?
I don't know. Well, count. Sure.
4.
About, yeah, 4.
Hit a double. Oh. Oh, come on, bro. Yo, look, there's a tank right here.
Wait, where? There we go. I'm out. Okay, now it's my brother's turn.
My phone. See, I got the Colt 1911. Look at this bitch.
Really? Now I have to restart the whole video.
Can't you just like cut that out?
No, I don't know how to edit. You know what? Screw it. Never mind.
You don't know how to edit. First, you gotta take it off safety.
Stop cursing. Inbound. Last bullet? No? How much bullets do you